Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can send bulk email campaigns from your HubSpot. Using CRM messaging BuzzMailer, you can send bulk email campaigns without worrying about marketing contacts getting exceeded. So, even if you're a starter plan on HubSpot, you can use BuzzMailer to send and reach out to as many audience you need easily. For the same, sign up on CRM messaging and go to here. You have to first connect your HubSpot instance. Go to Audience Manager, go to Import Contacts, and here you can see Import from HubSpot. So you can import your contact list from. We'll click on Import from HubSpot. By default, it will be disconnected. So in your case, you have to just click on Import from HubSpot. Let's pick in HubSpot that you want to. After selecting, click once connection is done. Go back to Audience Manager. Go back to Manage Groups. You will see all HubSpot list and start sending bulk email campaigns. How? I will tell you. So click on Sync and within few seconds you will see all contacts. Now my all contact is ready with 1222 contacts synced within. Now to create your bulk campaign, you have to go to email campaigns. Before we go, let's click on all contact to see all the contacts that we have synced. So these are all the contacts that are synced. Now go to email campaign. Here you have to create your campaign. Before you create any email campaign, you have to see our video of how to connect your senders, like emails, send emails from. So to connect sender email, it is straightforward. I'll just give you a quick walkthrough. Click on Manage Sender. Click on Manage Domain. And here you click on Add a Domain. First you add your domain. Let's suppose you want to send your emails from what specific business name that you have. Let's suppose the business name is grocery.in. So this is your business name. Click on Add Domain. Now you add this CNAME and text records in your DNS records. Once added, you will see status success. Once it is success, you click on Add Sender. And then over here you put an email label like Christy from grocery. You put any label for the email and you put the email name Christy at your. If the email is verified, you will find it over here and click on Add Email Provider. That's it. Once added, you will find that sender in the email campaigns. You can go to Manage Sender and see the sender. These are the approved senders. So now we'll create an email campaign. So go to email campaign, click on Create Campaign, write email, HubSpot email campaign, email name, choose your sender, choose your recipients that we imported, all contacts. You can see 220 contacts. Choose your subject. Welcome to BuzzMailer. So this is your pre-header. Now click Next. Now here you can choose some set templates or you can design your own email template using Blockator. So we will just simply use one of the templates. You can edit the template, any section you can update. And once you are ready, click on Save and Quit, and you can schedule it for later or for now. That's it, how you can send emails, and even you can even test it before sending it to all your. That's it, how you can send. I'll not send in this email, but I'll show you reports. Since it is a 1200 contacts, I'm not sending. Now to show reports, you can simply go to any once the email is completed, sent out, you can click on the report and you can see how many sent, how many delivered, how many bounced, how many spam reports. Every analytics would be available as you see in HubSpot, same way. Hope this is clear. If you have any questions, reach out to us. Have a good day. Thank you.